Hello guys, welcome to the Physics Tutor if you are new to our channel. If not, welcome back. In this video, you will see not just what happens during a total solar eclipse, but also the physics behind this cosmic phenomenon so that you will have a better understanding of the total solar eclipse. In addition, we will also discuss how the moon's shadow looks on the ground from the sky, across different places, how to stay safe, viewing the eclipse, etc. Well, a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, casting its shadow on our planet, the Earth. This rare alignment creates an extraordinary blackout of the Sun. But how exactly does this magical event unfold, and what are the physics behind it? As you can see in the video, the path of totality, where the total eclipse is visible, varies with each event. During totality, the sky darkens dramatically, and temperatures drop. The duration of totality can range from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on your location. For example, we cannot expect the same timeline for Toronto, Canada, and Dallas, Texas. And of course, in this context, any location we choose outside the path would be completely different. While witnessing a total solar eclipse is an unforgettable experience, it's crucial to take safety precautions. Never look directly at the sun without proper eye protection, such as solar viewing glasses or certified eclipse viewers. Additionally, avoid using homemade filters or sunglasses, as they don't provide adequate protection. Whether you're watching from the ground or soaring high in the sky, there are countless ways to experience the wonder of a total solar eclipse. Some adventurers even opt for a bird's eye view from a plane or venture closer to the sun for an unparalleled perspective. So, how will you choose to witness this celestial marvel? Delta Airlines is offering special flights for passengers to witness the total solar eclipse from the sky. These flights will be positioned in the path of totality, allowing passengers to experience the eclipse from a unique vantage point above the clouds. While watching the eclipse from the ground can be awe-inspiring, viewing it from an airplane offers a different perspective. Passengers aboard these flights will have the opportunity to witness the shadow of the moon sweep across the Earth's surface from above, providing a breathtaking panoramic view of the eclipse's path. Whether it's worth it depends on individual preferences and budget. For those who are passionate about astronomy and celestial events, experiencing a solar eclipse from the sky may be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity worth considering. As we anticipate the upcoming total solar eclipse, remember to prioritize safety and follow recommended viewing guidelines. So, mark your calendars, prepare your viewing equipment, and join us as we witness the celestial spectacle of a lifetime. Now, I want to ask you all a question. What are your plans for experiencing the total solar eclipse? Share your thoughts and preparations in the comments below. Thanks again for joining us as we witness the celestial spectacle of a lifetime. Until next time, stay curious.